2020 Dodge Challenger HEMI, 5.7 liter V8, less than 200 miles on it. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it comes with a factory X pipe, and we put FLOWMASTER super tins on it, one right there and one right there. And then we did a rear resonator delete on both sides, right there and right there, into quad tips, there and there. Came out absolutely beautiful. Hope you guys like it. I love it. It is beautiful. There it is. That's how you put the super tins on it to fit them. Let you guys hear it in a second. 2013 Dodge Challenger HEMI RT. It's got the stock converters, then a factory X pipe, then it's got two FLOWMASTER 40 series mufflers, and then what we did is did a rear resonator, rear muffler delete right there and right there, and we reused the tips right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There's the FLOWMASTER 40s. There's the X pipe. There's what we've deleted. There, right there. 2010 Dodge Challenger RT, 5.7 liter V8 HEMI. Got factory converters there and there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe, and we just did a muffler delete on it, mid muffler, right there and right there. There's that suitcase muffler we took off, right there. And then we left the rear resonators on it. He's probably gonna come back and take those off next in about a week or so. They usually do. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There she is. Mid muffler delete. This should sound like a beast. Oh yeah. Sound decibels, go ahead. Oh man, 108, 109. This is what we cut off. There's the two mufflers, two resonators. FLOWMASTER Super Tag. Never disappoints. Those tips look really good on them. Much better. Let you guys hear it on the inside now. That's sound decibel meter, by the way. That's a decibel meter up there. So I'll tell you how many decibels it is. Go ahead. That's what it sounds like with a mid delete. Here's the sound decibels. Go ahead. 109. That's not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. You like it, or you want louder?
No, I'm happy with that. Wait.
Of course.
Of course.
We can do the backs next. Go on the channel, listen to them. You'll see.
What would it cost me to grab the phone?
Same thing. Go ahead. guys here on the inside. Dodge Challenger 2020 Beast with a HEMI. Just give me 1 second, I'll be right with you. Dodge Challenger RT HEMI. Like the saying goes, HEMI. Road and track, baby.